The Schuck Group connects pipeline systems for the transport of liquid and gaseous media across the borders of countries and continents, and in a total of over 50 countries.
Schuck, we connect piping systems.
We manufacture and sell components for the transportation, control and distribution of liquid and gaseous media. Our more than 40 years of experience providing quality and innovation makes us one of the most experienced companies in the gas market. Franz Schuck founded the company in Heidenheim an der Brenz back in 1972. In response to strong growth, the young company moved to its current home base in Steinheim am Albuch. The company's first joint venture in Hungary in 1990 was followed in 1996 by the acquisition of Borsig Kugelhahn GmbH and the transfer of large-size valve production from Berlin to Steinheim. The company's headquarters are firmly rooted in the center of one of the most innovative regions in Germany, the Swabian Alps. With our 400 employees, we develop and produce the highest quality made in Germany products here. Since 2003, Schuck has had its own service division. Just 3 years later, a branch for sales and service was opened in India, then one in Shanghai, China in 2008, and finally one in Northern Europe in Hinckley in the United Kingdom in 2009. The longest pipeline with ball valves and actuators that Schuck has supplied was 8,700 kilometers long. It runs from Turkmenistan to Hong Kong via Kazakhstan and conveys 40 billion cubic meters of natural gas every year. Schuck products are used in 50 countries around the world. They enable the transportation of energy from the most remote areas of the world. Thus, there is a Schuck product in virtually every major pipeline on Earth. As a traditional German company, we place the highest value on quality. All of the products that leave our production facilities are used in safety-related areas to connect pipeline networks. The course for meeting these high standards is set as early as the stage of selecting our partners and suppliers. High-quality materials, consistent quality, and the necessary reliability establish the basis for a quality product during the preliminary stages. The in-house quality department ensures a smooth flow of goods, from receiving to processing and production through to production certification. Only following a successful final inspection by trained specialists do the products finally leave our premises. Our remarkable in-house production depth is vital in enabling us to offer German brand quality. Toolmaking, plastics technology, an in-house forging shop, as well as turning, milling and welding departments. Schuck covers all the stages of manufacturing, from blanks through to the final product. A fully welded Schuck Type G ball valve can withstand up to 250 bar internal pressure at a pipe diameter of up to 60 inches. Schuck supplies the largest ball valves in the world, while Schuck actuators and control units provide a powerful system and an efficient brain to go along with this. Meanwhile, active components monitor the valves and the entire pipeline. Whether a basic actuator or complex actuator system is involved, whether it functions electrically, hydraulically or manually, Schuck actuators are adaptable, efficient, durable and reliable. Only products that pass our tests successfully receive the Made by Schuck quality label. Nearly 100,000 domestic gas connections are sold annually by the Schuck Group. If these were all lined up end to end, they would cover a distance of around 150 kilometers. More than 40 years ago, Franz Schuck began to supply utility companies with the first distribution products. The former three-man company has since then grown into an international company. Gas and water house connections for the transfer of media to the end user, as well as insulating joints and separation points for safe lines and sleeves in pipeline construction, help utility companies supply their customers safely and efficiently. Five international branches in England, Hungary, Slovakia, India and China ensure that we are always close to our customers. Service is above all of utmost importance in the calculation of and compliance with failure probabilities. Safety-related components must be properly installed, put into operation and maintained. After all, safety means reliability and durability. The Schuck Service Division takes care of these tasks reliably and competently on a global scale, from maintenance, servicing, repairs and conversions to replacement and new parts, and through to consulting and training. The company is known for its impressive trainee rate. Nearly all trainees are then taken on and given further training in the company's in-house academy. The CIP principle focuses on the continuous improvement process in our company, a means of meeting our high standards for processes, personnel and work equipment. Our most important asset is our employees. Not only do they provide a high level of service performance for our customers, they also form the basis for a living, evolving company. To prevent the training measures from coming to an end upon the completion of the final examination, we have established the Schuck Academy for all employees. Our active training program ensures a highly qualified and motivated staff. In 2014, we were awarded the Top Job Seal, acknowledging our positive approach. The basis for all our efforts is embodied by our mission statement and corporate values. We and our products are efficient. We work as a team and support each other in our tasks. We implement our projects in a consistent, determined and courageous manner. We react quickly and flexibly to changes. We are honest and straightforward with each other. We stand by our word and keep our promises. We communicate positively and clearly as the basis for successful work. We are all responsible for ourselves, our work, the company, and the environment. We learn from our actions and develop ourselves and the company. We strive for sustainable solutions.